Welcome to regular practice for competitive examination লুসেন্টের কম্পিউটার সিরিজের আজকের তৃতীয় ভিডিও। তো এখানে আমরা হার্ডওয়্যার নিয়ে ডিসকাস করব। চলুন শুরু করা যাক। Computer perform some operation to solve problem. For these various unit of computer system, most perform coordinate all operation. A computer has three main units: input, processing unit, and output unit. There are physical unit of computer system. This unit constitute hardware of a computer. The computer has its own internal language. A computer is essentially made of electronic components. All these components are capable of generating any one of the two states, either a low or a high. It is difficult to talk always in terms of current and voltage to represent information. Therefore, computer scientists use a special convention. A high is symbolically represented by 1 and a low is represented by a 0. There is zeros are known as binary digit, or in short bit. The term binary refers to something that has two parts. So binary is consists of two things, 1 and 0. In specifically 1 is on and 0 is off. Computer always work with bit. They do not understand any other form. Computer scientists use combination of 8 bits taken together to represent various symbols. Because every bit can take one of two possible value, the total number of combined possible unit combination possible. Using 8 bit, computer can represent 256 different symbols. This is enough to cover our entire range of alphabet, numerical and other special characters like dollar, address, plus, rupee, etc. Such a combination of 8 bit is called a byte. To build complex information like paragraph and mechanical equations, we would need a large number of byte or character. Thus we have the kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte. In computers, information is represented using multiples of 8, that is 2 to the power 3 bytes. Since 8 bits are the smallest unit of information, therefore higher units are expressively in multiple of 2 to the power 3. Here you can see the data measurement of computer. So with 4 bit we can have 1 nibble, and 2 nibble, that is 8 bit, represent 1 byte. 1024 byte represent 1 kilobyte. 1024 kilobyte represent 1 megabyte. 1024 megabyte is also known as 1 gigabyte or 1 GB. That we also similar to this word. With the help of 1024 gigabyte we can have a terabyte, and 1024 terabyte can make 1 petabyte.